Hey guys, welcome to episode 6 of Requested by You. This is a segment where I basically make some models that are requested by you, the audience, and it could be anything at all. So feel free to leave some comments in the comments section below, and I'll see if I can get around to some of them. So this request was from Danny Weinberg. He was actually asking me for something completely different, but he told me he was looking for a Fireman Sam model on Thingiverse and a whole bunch of other sites, and he just couldn't find anything that was a good enough quality. And he showed me some of the examples, and yeah, I agree with him. They're not very good. There's just a lot of like primitive objects made of spheres and cylinders and all that kind of stuff, as you can see. And well, this build was actually for his friend's kid, whose father sadly passed away from pancreatic cancer, which is horrible news, and it's horrible to hear. So I thought, why not just make something like a kid's toy for once, and that's what I've done. I've gone and made this. So here he is, Fireman Sam. I'm actually quite proud of him. He's about 50% scale as to what he was meant to be. If we compare him to Hellboy here, this is how big he was originally supposed to be, but I thought, like, realistically, it's a bit too big, so I've gone with this size. But I'm pretty sure Danny has sent me some pictures of the scale that he's working with, and he's actually scaled it up. So good luck painting that. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm really excited to see how that ends up. Anyway, let's get into the actual build. So I started off this build pretty much how I do every other build, from scratch, and I decided not to use a core body or anything like that. I just used cubes and worked from there and pretty much shaped the whole thing. And the reason why I did this was because the pants and the jacket were more or less like, the pants sat inside the jacket, so I decided there was no point making an entire torso, because the jacket's just going to be hiding most of it. So yeah, once he was all modeled up and posed and all that stuff, I chucked him into the printer, or into Cura first, and then I decided to scale him down. So when I printed him up, he was around, I think, 5 to 10 hours, I really can't remember now. Finished up, and I cleaned him up. So I thought I recorded painting this guy, but I clicked on OBS preview the stream, and I just painted with the preview going the entire time. So on my screen it looked like it was being painted and being recorded. I mean, it was getting painted. I thought it was getting recorded, but it wasn't. So you're just gonna have to imagine what it looked like for me to paint him. It pretty much just looked like this. That's pretty much it. So this is available on Thingiverse right now, and you're more than welcome to head over and print it up yourself and give it to someone that might like Fireman Sam or firemen in general. Now, my girlfriend's dad is actually is a firefighter, and I thought it would be kind of funny to make this and give it to him, but then I realized he probably wouldn't really have anything to do with it, so I might remake this and paint it with his actual colors, because this is Fireman Sam's colors, and I don't know if this seems like a really old kind of color scheme, but yeah, I'll redo a new one and give it to him. But this one I'm actually going to give to my neighbor, who I know enjoys firefighters, and he's got a little firefighter helmet and all that kind of stuff. So I figured, hey, why not just give it to him? And he can have a little play with it, or just keep it on a shelf or something like that. So this one's for you, Marcus, and I hope you enjoy him. As for everyone else, if you want to leave a request in the comments section below, you're more than welcome to. I'm thinking about setting up a little a wheel of fortune, or maybe a plinketto.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, something like that, with all the different options, and the more requests I have, I've got so many, so right now it's really hard to choose, so I kind of need to have a random thing choose for me. So yeah, I'm thinking I might do something like that. So yeah, we'll see what happens in the next episodes, hey. Anyway, if you feel like supporting me more on this channel, you're more than welcome to head over to Patreon and pledge a couple dollars per video. And as always, thanks for watching, and give us a share and a like, and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you around. See you guys.